Tierra here with Gypsyfae Creations. Thanks so much for tuning in. I just wanted to do a quick unboxing video of a few things I just received in the mail. And I've been waiting to do like both of them together so that I can just do one unboxing. But this is the Bramble berry collection that they just came out with for the holidays. So let's see what those look and smell like. Bit of a smaller collection, I think, than what they usually come out with, but that is fine because I get a little caught off guard every time they want to send out a collection of something because I plan all my soaps ahead and I have everything all mapped out, releases ready to go, and then it's like, oh, here's some cool fragrances for you, and I'm like, and I probably say that every time, but it really does, like, catch me off guard. Alright, let's see what we got here. Some nice holiday fragrances. They look like they're all going to be dessert or food inspired. Ta-da! So we got 4 different fragrances here. There is a vanilla apple cinnamon fragrance. And it says it discolors to brown. And I would bet money that all of these are going to discolor if they're going to be sweet, scented fragrance oils. Behaves well in cold process, and the notes are apple, clove, cinnamon, lemon, sugar, and vanilla. And we've got a maple pecan fragrance. Discolors to none. What? I find that hard to believe. Just prove me wrong. I gotta smell them. What am I doing here? Maple pecan fragrance. Oh my goodness, that smells divine. It has a bit of a musk scent to it. So it says caramel, maple, vanilla, cream, pecan, and musk. I love that. So let's smell the vanilla. Apple cinnamon. Smells like apple cinnamon. And then we've got a gingerbread cookie. Let's see what that one smells like. I love gingerbread fragrances. Yep, I love it. I think I like all of them. It's hard. It's going to be hard to pick a favorite. That one says cardamom, clove, cinnamon, vanilla, tonka, and orange. And then the last one is a candy cane fragrance. Discolors to none. Mild acceleration in cold process. The gingerbread does discolor to brown and it accelerates in cold process. So I'm going to figure out how to use these. Yep, mint. That is peppermint, vanilla, sugar, amber, and musk. It smells just like candy cane. So that is the newest collection by Bramble berry. Their holiday fragrances there. And I think there's a couple of molds that they've released as well to go with these. So look forward to some creations with these guys. I have one more box to share with y'all. Move that out of my way. And it is by Nuture soap. I got an email last week by Nuture soap, and they were like, hey, your order's been confirmed. And I'm like, wait a minute, I didn't order anything. I thought about ordering something. I need to put an order in. I have a list going of like colorants that I'm running out of, but I didn't put an order in. So I kind of like had a mini heart attack, like someone stole my credit card information. So I opened up the email and it's like, yes, this is confirming your order. I'm like, no, I didn't order anything. What is going on? And I scrolled down and it's like, my address is there. It's shipping to me. So I'm like, well, that's weird. If someone stole my stuff, they wouldn't send it to me. Scroll down a little more and it says what I bought. And it was $162. And I'm like, no. Well, then you scroll down a little more, and it is from Carrie at Nuture Soap, and she says, I just started watching YouTube and found you. Your creations are mind-blowing. Here's a gift to help you create more wonderful things. And oh my goodness, you guys, I don't even know what to do with all this. This is every single mica and glitter that Nuture Soap carries. This is the set, all the micas set, and they're like sample sizes of every single color, again, that they carry. I don't even know how to organize all these. I'm not even going to sit here and show them to you all. I will definitely be using them in all of my soaps. Look, Firefly, I haven't used that one before. Brilliant Blue. I kind of like divide them. Blue Enigma, I haven't used that. I want to divide them in like ones that I've used and ones I've not used, but then again, I don't even know where to put all these. Cyber Grape, oh my goodness, I'm going to have so much fun with these. Copper Penny, Cabin Fever, I've not used those colors. So shout out to Nuture Soaps, thank you so much for sending me all of this awesome stuff. I'm just so excited to use all of these. Northern Lights, oh my gosh, oh my gosh. So yeah, I like little mini heart attacks like this, I guess, if you're going to surprise me. Send me all of the micas, that is awesome. Alright you guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this little unboxing video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. You know the whole entire spiel. Nocturnal, I like it. Oh my goodness. I keep saying that. Mardi Gras, Black Onyx. There's so many of them that I haven't tried that I didn't even know. Anyway, questions or comments, leave them for me in the comment section down below. I will link all of this stuff in the description box. Yeah, and until next time, I hope you guys have a very nice day, and I'll smell you later.